Imagine having a smartphone that could withstand an explosion. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Doogee S98, the world's most powerful, rugged smartphone. Doogee over here has not sponsored this video, they just provided the product in order for me to give an honest, factual review about their device. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, an unboxing of the device. As we can see here, when we open the black casing, we are greeted by the Doogee S98 smartphone along with its accompanying charger brick, which is quite large, and its wire. I'm about to show you something really cool on this device, but first let me comment on the size and quality of the build. It's very rugged and you can feel that it's a durable device. Now what's cool is it has this black circle LCD on the back which can be used to display the time. The sides are also made up of a very durable material. It has a side fingerprint sensor as well as a custom button. But now let's take a deeper dive into the box. Something that immediately caught my attention was this black film here. As you can see, it's labeled anti-explosion film. You heard that correctly. This film can be applied to the front of the device to make it even more durable. It comes with these various accessories which can be used to again enhance the durability and protect your screen. Here's the power brick for the device. It's a USB-C 33 watt fast charging, and the phone also supports 15 watt wireless charging. On the spec side of things, it comes out of the box with Android 12, a 64 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. You can see the water drop display with 6.3 inches full HD. Of course, it is IP68, IP69K rated. It has this night vision camera feature, which has a 20 megapixel camera. And as you can see, it's a little bit hard to tell through the camera. It is pretty crisp and solid through there, so I can definitely see the use cases. It comes with this app called Outdoor Toolbox. And as you can see here, it has a variety of useful tools that you might need to survive the outdoors, such as a very accurate and very precise compass. As you can see, the numbers are changing extremely rapidly, indicating a high level of precision on those degrees. Despite this precision, I'd still rate the compass around a 7 out of 10 just because it is very hard to get those readings, especially if you're holding the compass and don't have something to put the device onto underneath you. But in addition to the compass, it has a variety of other features like a gradienter. I personally like the flashlight. It was incredibly bright underneath that round display on the back, that smart circle thing that they have. It has this very bright flash feature. In addition to that, it has a couple useful apps like the magnifier. If you needed to zoom into something, you don't have a magnifying glass, you could use their magnifier. I'm not sure if this actually has any advantages over using the simple built-in camera, but I find that it's kind of nice to have all of these built into one tool, into one app on their device. In addition to this, it has an alarm, a plumb bomb, protractor, noise testing, and a pedometer. So again, a variety of different features. Most people who are getting this phone are using it for its ruggedness and durability. So let's talk a little bit more about that. Of course, you already heard about the IP68 rating, but let's get into some temperature testing because of people who want to bring their phones into extreme conditions. One is fire. So if you have a temperature of over 70 degrees Celsius in fire or against boiling water or at least really hot water, in this case it seems to be 65 degrees Celsius, the Doogee S98 is the way to go because it withstands all of that and performs completely fine, and of course does not get any of the water into the actual device itself because of that IP68 rating. It's also great against ice. If you go skiing or you're a mountain climber or things like that, this rugged phone is a great option because it survives all of that ice. It survives all those cold temperatures completely fine. In this scenario, they call it a brutal hammer attack, but the hammer isn't really being used against the front of the device. But I'm sure with an anti-explosion film, it should be completely fine against those types of attacks as well. Overall, the Doogee S98 best makes its case to firefighters, military personnel, construction workers, and people in careers that require such a rugged device. With its adventure-proof design, display, and sensors, it's an ultra-rugged device built by industry experts. Check the description for more information on the S98. Comment down below if you think this device might be useful for you. Like the video if you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.